Hello, hello friends. Myself, Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of network analysis, I am going to talk about some numerical based on KVL and KCL, that is loop analysis and node analysis. This is part 2. Already I had developed earlier part 1 also. So here I am going to talk some numerical, and mostly these numericals will be based on dependent source. So this is the problem we have given. Find the current through each branch using nodal analysis, using KCL. Okay, nodal analysis. So this is the KCL. So first step is what? Assign the voltage to all nodes. This is node. I am assigning the voltage V1. This is another node. Assign the voltage V2, and third node I am connected to ground. Okay. Next step, remark the current through each and every branch. It is already given 3 ampere incoming, so कोई जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ मैं I1 remark कर रहा हूँ I1. Okay, it is already given I2. This is given I2. Okay, so कोई जरूरत नहीं यहाँ पर remark करने की. I am remarking here I3. Whatever the direction you want, you can take. And यहाँ already it is given 2 ampere. So no need to remark there. Okay. Now KCL at node 1. What is the KCL at node 1? Incoming current equal to outgoing current. What is the incoming current? 3. 3 ampere is coming incoming, and outgoing क्या है? I1 plus I2 plus 2I2. Yeah, you can see here I1 outgoing, this I2 is also outgoing, and this 2I2 is also outgoing. So okay, so this is I1 plus I2 plus 2I2, it is 3I2 equal to 3. So 3 equal to I1. What is I1? कहाँ है I1? This V1 minus 0 upon 1. I am writing 3 in place of 3. I am writing 3 upon 1 plus 3. What is the value of I2? What is I2 is what? Yes, this is I2, right? So V1 minus V2 upon half upon 1 by 2. So it is 3 V1 plus 3 upon half means 6 V1 minus 6 V2. So if you solve this equation, you will get 7 V1 minus 6 V2 equal to 3. Right now? So this is the equation I am getting, equation number 1. 6 plus 1, 7 V1 minus 6 V2 equal to 3. Okay. Now KCL at 2. KCL at node 2. KCL at node 2. This is the node 2. What is the KCL? I2 incoming. I2 plus 2I2 is also incoming. Plus 2 ampere is also incoming. This 2 ampere. This 2 ampere plus 2 incoming equal to what is outgoing? This I3. Okay. So I2 incoming. 2I2 is incoming. 2 ampere is also incoming, but I3 is outgoing. So you will get 3 I2 plus 2 equal to I3. What is the value of 3 I2? I2 is what? This is I2 equal to what? V1 minus V2, higher potential minus lower potential. V1 minus V2 upon half plus 2 equal to I3 कहाँ है? Where is I3? I3 is this V2 minus 0 upon half. V2 upon half. So ये क्या आएगा? Half. 3 upon half is 6 V1 minus 6 V2 plus 2 equal to V2 upon half is 2 V2. Okay. So you will get 6 V1 minus 6 यहाँ है और ये 2 यहाँ आएगा तो minus 8 V2 इक्वल टू ये 2 इधर जाएगा तो -2. Clear? 6v1 minus 8v2 equal to minus 2. Okay, this is the equation number 2. We have two equations, 1 and 2. Two unknowns are there. With the help of calculator, we will find the v1 and v2. So I am going to use the calculator. First press mode, again press mode, again press mode. You will see the equation, that is 1. Press 1. You will get the unknowns. How many unknowns are there? 2, v1 and v2. So press 2. A1, it will show A1. What is the value of A1? 7. If you press equal, you will get B1. B1 is minus 6. Minus 6. If you press equal, you will get C1. C1 is 3. C1 is 3. If you press equal, you will get A2. A2 is what? A2 is what? 6. 6. If you press equal, you will get B2. B2 is what? Minus 8. Minus 8. If you press equal, you will get C2 is minus 2. Minus 2. If you press equal, you will get X. X is nothing but it is V1. 8 volt. And if you press equal, you will get V. Y means V2 equal to 1.6 volt, right? So this is the node voltage. Just wait. Node voltage V1 and V2. Now I have given find the current through each and every branch. So this current I1. So from here I1 equal to what? So I1 equal to V1 by 1. V1 upon 1, right? I1 equal to V1 by 1. So V1 कितना है? 1.8 upon 1 equal to 1.8 ampere. I2 is what? V1 minus V2 upon half. I2. V1 1.8 minus V2 1.6 upon half. So 0.2, 1.8 minus 1.4, 0.2 upon half, 0.4 ampere. Okay, I3 equal to what? V2 upon half. V2 upon half. V2 कितना है? 1.6 upon half equal to what? 3.2 ampere. 3.2 ampere, right? So in this way you can get the all current through all branches. So how to do it? First assign the voltage to all nodes except the reference node, then remark the current through each and every branch. Then step number 3 क्या है? Remark the KCL at node 1 and KCL at node 2. But dependent source का problem है, so you have to consider that source also, right? Okay, I'm rubbing it. Next, example number 2. Example number 2. Find the voltage at node 1, at this node 1 using nodal analysis. You have to find the voltage at node 1 using the nodal analysis. You can see here it is a dependent source, right? Current source है और ये depend क्या कर रहा है? इस current के ऊपर. So okay, how to do it? Just see here. If you are solving the problem by KCL, तो पहला step क्या है? Assign the voltage to all nodes. एक ही node है, this is same node, so it is node number 1. Okay, assign the voltage V1. Okay, and the other node connected to ground, so this is the reference node. This is second node, right? Next step, remark the current through each and every branch. It is given 1 ampere. Let us say this is I1. It is already IA is given. This is already given I2. So no need to do it, right? Only I1. Now remark the KCL at all nodes except the reference node. So reference node के अलावा एक ही नोड है, KCL at node 1. What is the KCL? Incoming current 1 ampere equal to outgoing current. I1 is outgoing plus IA is outgoing plus I2 outgoing. So 1 incoming equal to I1. What is I1? I1. Let us say I1 plus IA plus I2 is what? 3IA. So you will get 1 equal to I1 plus 4IA, 3IA plus IA, 4IA. Okay, 1 equal to I1. What is the value of I1? V1 minus 0 upon 0.5. V1 upon 0.5. V1 upon 0.5 plus 4. IA. What is the value of IA? V1 minus 0 upon 2. V1 upon 2. So this 2 and this 4 will be cancelled, you will get 2. So this V1 upon 0.5, that is 2V1 plus 2V1, 4V1 equal to 1, right? V1 by 0.5 matlab 2V1 or 2V1, so 4V1. So what is the value of V1 I am getting? 1 by 4, 0.25 volt I am getting. So that is the answer. Directly I got the answer. V1 equal to 0.25 volt. That is the answer. V1 equal to 0.25 volt, right? So I am rubbing it. It is very simple problem. Dependent source के problem difficult दिखते जरूर हैं. Some confusion is there, but it is really very simple. I am rubbing it. I am rubbing it just here. Next, example number 3. Write the node equation and find VA and VB. Nodal analysis. Okay, again problem is of nodal analysis. So see here, this is node 1. Assign the voltage VA. Node 2. Assign the voltage VB. Okay. Next step is what? Remark the current through each and every branch. I am remarking current I1 here, I2 here, 5 ampere is already outgoing, I3 here, okay, and I4 here. So I have remarked the current through each and every branch, I1, I2, I3, I4. Okay, next step is what? Write the KCL at node 1. KCL at node 1, yeah, at node A. Okay, so what is the KCL? Incoming current I1 equal to outgoing current क्या है? I2 plus 5. That is, you can see here at this node, incoming current I1 or I2 outgoing है और 5 ampere is also outgoing, right? So what is the value of I1? Potential difference, यहाँ का voltage कितना? 10 minus VA upon 1. Potential difference 10 minus VA upon 1. I2, VA minus 0 upon half. VA upon half plus 5. Okay, so you will get 10 minus VA equal to VA upon half मतलब 2VA plus 5. So you will get VA वहाँ जाएगा तो 3VA, 2VA और माइनस यहाँ जाएगा प्लस हो जाएगा 3VA और ये 5 यहाँ आएगा तो माइनस. So यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 5. 10 minus 5. So you will get VA directly. VA equal to what? 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So you will get VA equal to 5 by 3. Okay. So what is the value of answer? 5 by 3. VA equal to 1.667 volt. That is the answer. KCL at node 2. KCL at node B. What is the KCL at node B? Incoming current is 5 equal to I3 outgoing or I4 is outgoing. So I3 plus I4. This is incoming, these two are outgoing. So 5, I3 is what? VB minus 0 upon 1 by 9. VB by 1 by 9 plus I4 बोलो. VB, what is the potential here? VB. यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना है? 1 वोल्ट. क्यों? यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना? ग्राउंड 0. यहाँ से यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? राइज, राइट ना? दिस इज माइनस, दिस इज प्लस. सो 0 से 1 राइज होगा तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? 1 वोल्ट. सो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या होगा? VB माइनस 1 अपॉन 1 by 4, right ना? So this is the potential here is VB. यहाँ का पोटेंशियल ग्राउंड है 0, यहाँ से यहाँ राइज हो रहा है तो यहाँ का पोटेंशियल 1. सो VB माइनस 1 अपॉन 1 by 4. सो क्या आएगा? 5 और VB by 1 by 9, सो 9 VB प्लस ये 1 by 4 मतलब ऊपर जाएगा तो 4 VB माइनस 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो आई एम गेटिंग 9 VB प्लस 4 13 VB इक्वल टू, ये माइनस 4 इधर जाएगा तो 5 प्लस हो जाएगा, सो 9. सो VB इक्वल टू व्हाट? 9 बाई 13 वोल्ट इक्वल टू व्हाट? VB इक्वल टू 9 बाई 13. 0.692 volt I am getting it, right? So I got two voltage VA and VB. I have to find VA and VB, that is the answer. अगर suppose उन्होंने पूछा find I2 this current, so VA upon half. अगर उन्होंने पूछा find the this I3, VB upon 1 by 9, like that. Okay, so this is the answer. So these problems are really very simple. If your concept is clear, you can do it. Okay, I'm rubbing it. One more problem I'm going to solve. Okay. Example number 4. This voltage, this problem, find the V2 at node 2. V2 at node 2. I think it is again, अगर आप ये KVL से करेंगे तो दो लूप हैं, KCL से करेंगे तो एक ही नोड है. This is connected to ground. This is connected to ground. Okay, so एक ही नोड है V2. So find V2 at node 2. Okay. So first step is what? Remark the current through each and every branch. It is current I. It is already given, so don't change it. I, because this is the dependent source, dependent voltage source depending on I. Okay, so don't change it. Okay, let us say I1. Let us say I2. So that is the, we have remarked the current through each and every branch. We have remarked the voltage at node, all nodes except the reference node. Now KCL at node. एक ही नोड है KCL at node 2. What is the KCL? Incoming current क्या है? I. This is incoming current equal to outgoing current क्या है? I1 plus I2. These are the two outgoing current. So I equal to what? 15. यहाँ का वोल्टेज क्या है? 15. 15 minus V2 upon 50. I1. What is the value of I1? I1. V2. What is the potential of this point? 0. Ground है ना. What is the potential of this point? 100 I. यहाँ का वोल्टेज क्या है? यहाँ से यहाँ राइज हो रहा है ना, तो 100 I. So potential difference क्या आएगा? I1 equal to V2 minus 100 I. V2 minus 100 I upon, that is also voltage source. V2 minus 100 I upon 100 ohm. Okay, plus I2. What is the value of I2? कहाँ है ये I2? V2 minus 0 upon 100. 50 plus 50. Okay, so this is the way. So okay, so एक काम करता हूँ, I'm going to solve it. So LCM ले लेता हूँ. Again actually I want only one V2. This is not unknown, but we will put this value I later on. Okay, I will put it later on. So क्या आएगा? चलो एक काम करता हूँ मैं, I'm taking LCM 100. So 100 upon 52 into 1530 minus 2 V2 equal to V2 minus 100I plus V2, right now? 100 upon 52 into 1530 minus 2 V2 equal to 100 upon 101 into V2 minus 100I plus V2. So you will get V2 plus V2 plus 2 V2, 4 V2. This V2 plus V2 plus 2 यहाँ आएगा तो plus 4 V2 equal to what? 4 V2 minus 100I, this 100I equal to यहाँ क्या बच रहा 30. Okay, this हो गया. Okay, where I don't want this equation in terms of I, where I equal to what? I equal to क्या है? 15 minus V2 upon 50. You know this I, 15 minus V2 upon 50. So ये वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट करेंगे. So 4 V2 minus 100, I की वैल्यू कितनी है? कितनी है I की वैल्यू? ये कितनी? I की वैल्यू कितनी है? 15 minus V2 upon 50, right? 4 V2 minus 100 I equal to 30. So this 50 or this is 2. So क्या आएगा? 4 V2 minus 30, right? 15 into 2 30. This minus minus plus 2 V2 plus 2 V2 equal to 30. So क्या आएगा? 6 V2 equal to 60. क्यों? ये 30 minus वहाँ जाएगा तो plus 6 10. So V2 I am getting 10 volt. I am getting V2 equal to 10 volt, and I have given find V2. So yeah, this is the answer. Okay, so this problem is again very simple. You have to write the KCL. We have to find the voltage at node 2. You have to write the KCL. पहला step क्या? Assign the voltage V2 here. Then remark the current through each and every branch. It is already given, so don't change. Why? Because this is the dependent source depending on 100I. So इसको change नहीं करने का. Then remark the current through other branches and read the KCL. KCL लिखने के बाद equation I के टर्म में आएगा, and I don't want I की वैल्यू मालूम है हमको. So we'll put the value of I here. You will get V2. Okay. I am rubbing it. So I had taken so many problems based on KCL and KVL. I had tried to clear your concept. Clear? Again, if you have any doubt, you can talk to me also. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.